Today, I'm going to show you how to link Mailchimp to Bigin CRM using Zapier, step by step. This is a simple way to connect your marketing and sales tools so your contact workflow can run more smoothly, save time, and reduce manual work. Once this is set up, you can automate actions between Mailchimp and Bigin CRM without jumping back and forth between platforms. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Now, let's get started. First, go to Zapier in your browser. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, click Create. This is where you start building a new automation. After that, click Zaps because that will take you into the automation workflow area where you can connect different apps together. Next, click on Trigger. The trigger is the app and event that starts your automation. In the search box, type Bigin and click on it when it appears. Then choose an event from the available options. If you're not sure which one to pick, select the one that best matches your workflow needs. After choosing the event, sign in to your Bigin account when prompted. Once your Bigin trigger is connected, move on to the action step. Click Action to choose what should happen after the trigger is detected. In the app search field, click Mailchimp. Then choose an event from the list, again selecting the one that fits your goal. For example, you may want to create or update a subscriber, depending on how you want Bigin and the Mailchimp to work together. After selecting the Mailchimp action, sign in to your Mailchimp account when prompted. Make sure you grant the required permissions so Zapier can send data between the two apps correctly. Once both accounts are connected, you can continue building the automation. Now, click Build It at the top. This is where you review the setup and make sure everything looks right before turning the automation on. Zapier will guide you through the remaining configuration steps, and you can map the fields so your data goes to the correct place. For example, you may want names, email addresses, or other contact details to move from Bigin into Mailchimp automatically. Before you finish, click Test Run. Testing is important because it confirms that your Zap works as expected before it goes live. If anything needs adjusting, this is the best time to make changes. Once the test is successful, you're almost done. Finally, click Publish. This activates your automation and officially links Mailchimp to Bigin CRM through Zapier. From this point forward, your workflow can run automatically based on the trigger and action you selected, and that's it. You've now linked Mailchimp to Bigin CRM using Zapier. This can help you manage leads, keep your email marketing updated, and streamline your business processes without extra manual effort. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.